Okay, here we are at Arnold's Groceries in South Prairie. It's the 76 station. It's going to be a bid for a repave and then an option to pave the gravel section here. So base bid to repave, option for gravel. I will give you measurements of all. Bid the asphalt at 4 inches. That's what it appears to be, at least. And it's going to be the entire asphalt on the property. And then we're going to replace all the wheel stops with new precast and then put the stalls back. I'll give you all that at the end. But, staging, if we do the entire lot, there is a post office over here that we're going to want to talk to, unless we decide to do it in sections, which might be another option. Property line's going to be this tar seam right on the corner there, kind of by the post, and we're going to follow that straight back to where the concrete and the gravel meet right there. As far as boundaries, I'll give you measurements, just confirm on earth. And then you can see here's the post office right here. There's another parking lot across the street. It's also going to include this section of asphalt back here, so measurements will follow. So first we're at 13 by 24, attached to a 13 by 45, 62 by 52, 25 by 36, which is right here, 11 by 36, which is where we're standing. There's an asphalt concrete transition right here, so this will remain concrete. It's actually right on top of the wheel stops where it transitions. It kind of looks like asphalt. And keep going. 41 by 57, 3 by 37, and 13 by 28. So that's all the R&R at 4 inches. Now for the option, the boundary is going to be this pad right here. We'll tie into that, so that corner where the two meet is going to be our transition, and it's going to come all the way back to this hole right here, and it's going to cover all this gravel. So I will measure that. So I'll give you details afterwards, but measurements is a 21 by 31, 61 by 27, 30 by 80, 11 by 55, and that's the measurement for the option. So option is going to include all the gravel area all the way back to the stalls. We're going to go around the vault box and the use again, so pave around that, and then we're going to go around these posts here. Go just about a foot off this and then tie it up. And once we go around that post there, we'll tie into this concrete pad right here as well. So just right along that pad right there. Dirt removal for the option is an 11 by 70 attached to an 8 by 45, and that's just cleaning up this dirt where there was rock. So we're going to scrape it down 4 inches, and we'll add 2 inches of rock on that section. All the other rock is good, but as far as break points, that's going to be our high corner. That's also going to be a high corner. So we're going to want to grade more or less right down here to get the water out. We do have fall, but there are not a lot of catch basins out here. Actually, there are no catch basins out here. You can see it breaks towards the street. As far as stalls, striping for the base bid, we've got, let's see, 6 stalls right here, and then 4 stalls right here. Wheel stops, remove and reinstall new for the base bid. Look at the count. We have 14 of them. We'll secure them with pins. About half of them are on concrete though, and they're all going to be painted red. For the option, I believe it was 60 feet. So we'll have another 8 stall lines out there. and 7 wheel stops painted red. So that's going to be for the striping option slash the option for pave. And that is going